Okay, so I got a video that I posted here and had the customer here, so I really wasn't able to explain it or get a good video of it. But on the Form Lighting headlamps on a Ram, the FL0016, I believe. Yeah, it's FL0016 part number from Form. The adjustment for them, it says to use an 8mm wrench on the back, which is a pain to get to from anywhere on it. If you take a long screwdriver, flat screwdriver, you can stick it in through the top hole like you would on a normal adjustment, and then drop that screwdriver in, and you can rotate the screwdriver in the little teeth, and it'll rotate it. This is the screwdriver I used. Very long and kind of smaller on the end, and it fits in perfect and rotate. Perfect, rotate, and it works really well for adjusting those Form light headlights in the Ram. Awesome lights, put out a ton of light. They look good, and they're sequential, and they have really cool startup sequence too for the customers. Good light, but a pain to adjust without a long screwdriver to come to find out. Didn't realize that. They just say use an 8mm. Not easy to get on there with an 8mm. Tried ratchet wrenches, all that stuff. Long screwdriver.
Yeah.